1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, as you can all see from the title, I'm going to be emptying out my school backpack. I don't know when this video is going up, but I'm filming this 2 days after I got out of school. But yeah, I am going to 8th grade now, and this is my 7th grade backpack. So I'm going to show you guys like basically what I had in it, and yeah. Okay, so I just moved the camera to like an easier spot. But I already took out like all like the personal stuff, like my yearbook and stuff that would say my name. And I do have some stuff in my locker in here because we emptied out our lockers. But yeah, let's get started. So first, I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. This is my pencil case. As you can see, I wrote all over it. But yeah, I've got like highlighters and pencils. I've also got erasers, but I never use these erasers. I have a pencil sharpener. Like, these erasers are from 5th grade. I never use them. And then I also have these like colorful gel pens. I don't even know why I ever packed them. I didn't touch them once. And then I also have lead. But yeah, like, see, I have these like colorful gel pens, but I never use those. I don't know. Yeah, this does say my name, but it's just like a workbook that we did that I actually never finished, but it was meant for a grade. So, and I just found this $5 bill, which I'll keep. Then I have this book. It's called Secrets of a Fangirl. I never started reading it. I have socks that I forgot to take out. This is disgusting. I have crumbled up goldfish in a bag. Wonderful. Next up, I have a giant bottle of lotion. This was in my locker that I took out. And then I have a highlighter. Then I have a, oh my gosh, so much of this spilled in my backpack. But it's a mini perfume to go with the lotion. It's the Japanese Cherry Blossom. Oh, it's everywhere. I have a scrunchie. I have this hairbrush that was in my locker, and then I have this mini hairbrush that was in my backpack. Then I have a basketball gibbet that I found actually like the day before the last day of school, and I told my friend to keep it, but she put it in my backpack, I guess. Then I have this lip gloss. This was from Matilda, which was my school musical that I was in. Here's the other sock. Okay, then here is my Matilda book. It's really crumbled up, but yeah, I was in the Matilda musical, if you guys didn't know. Then I have, this was my art study guide for the art test. It's all crumbled up. Yeah, here's more of it. Then this came from my locker, but I have deodorant. Oh wow, that's almost it for the big pouch. And then I have my math binder, which has like a lot of stuff. As you can see, a lot of math. And then just some more like random worksheets. And oh, this was a letter that we were supposed to write to our 8th grade self, and we're supposed to read it on the first day of school, or like at the end of the summer. So let me know if you guys want me to film myself reading this. So yeah, okay. And then I just have this like little binder pouch. Okay, so let's move on to this second pocket, or pouch, I guess. I just have a little baggie full of like makeup stuff. And then I have this cat mask. I wore this on like the first day of school or something. Don't even know why I wore it. Actually, no, I didn't wear it. I needed an extra mask and I did not want to wear that one. And then I have this little t-shirt poppet that my friend gave me. Oh, can't really show this, but it has my school ID. I never actually used my school ID, but I had this little thingy that my mom got me for it. And then it has like a little hand sanitizer holder. So this was the hand sanitizer. It's the In the Stars. Okay, sorry about that. The camera stopped recording. I forgot that there's like a timer on this app. It is the In the Stars hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. So yeah, and then I have this hair clip that was broken. And it doesn't even open because the two side thingies fell off. I don't even know. Then I have so much lip gloss. I have a glossier lip gloss that has been in here since the first day of school. It's like melted. Yay. And then I have this lip gloss. My sister actually got me it. But it is the Milani lip gloss. It's really nice. And then, oh, it's so dirty. Then I have this lip gloss from Isabel K. I think that's what it's called. Don't know where the sticker is. Then I have a Lightning McQueen Gibbet. Yeah. I have a random pencil. I have a little perfume set. I wish I knew that I had this because the amount of times I've had to borrow my friend's perfume. Oh my gosh. Well, I have that. Then I have a little thing of nail glue. Random, but okay. Oh, and then I have these oil absorbing sheets. And then a comb. So yeah, that's everything in that pocket. And then I'm gonna do the even smaller pocket right there. I don't think there's anything in here though. Yeah, there's nothing in here. So now I'm gonna do the side pockets. I don't really think there's much in here. Yeah, just a white mask, and then there's nothing in the other pocket. So yeah, that's basically it. That's me emptying out my backpack. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, bye!